Hey sweet babies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. You like fragrance, vlogs, makeup, skincare, real people and real talk, definitely subscribe to my channel. So today we're going to talk about some summer fragrances that I'm actually excited to wear. Now some of them are new, some of them are not, but I'm still excited to wear them. I literally have not even reached for them since last summer and I'm ready to run them back. First, let's start with Dubai Riviera. Now, this is not new to my collection, but I have never worn it before because why? I've been waiting for summertime. This right here, I already know I'm gonna be obsessed with it. And if you are looking for a Viva More fragrance for summertime, this is the one. This is the one. Now, like I said, I ain't worn it yet. So I don't know about the performance and longevity and all of the things. However, I really don't have any issues with the performance and longevity and all of that with my Viva More fragrances. So even though this one is more summertime, I'm gonna still give y'all the tea when I wear it. However, let's get into these notes, baby. Clementine, lychee, blackcurrant, like come on with the summertime juicy vibes. You get a little bit of sweetness from the vanilla, and you know it's got vetiver in the base, and me and vetiver, we can either be cool or we can tussle, and this one I like. Well, like I feel like if you like Ball de Freak, you would like this even better, because after I smelled this I said, Ball de Freak, who? Where? Like, huh? Who they? I'm sorry to this man, like I don't know her anymore, you know what I'm saying? Like, for real, like this is a nice smooth vetiver that you can hardly even smell unless you just know vetiver, and Ball de Freak is the one that turned my vetiver nose all the way up, like, you know what I'm saying? But it's got that sweetness to it, very light, it's fresh, it's almost clean and soapy. It's feminine, it's pretty, but not pretty girly, like pretty clean, fresh, womanly. With that little bit of fruitiness. Like all of the notes in here are blended like real smoothly and lightly, and it has like a watery nature to it too. I mean, y'all know the notes is blended, okay? Boutron did this, you know, and y'all know y'all love some Boutron now. Y'all know y'all love that man now. So you already know the notes are blended to perfection. You get a little bit of everything throughout the whole fragrance. I'm excited to wear this, girl, because I've been itching to wear this for a while. I think I even took this on vacation with me, child. I ain't wear it on vacation, but she came with me because I just knew it was perfect for the summer. Herba Gold. Now I am a year late, but hey, Twisted Lily just sent it to me, and I am very much so grateful because I have been wanting it since it released in the US. Of course, you can test this out or a whole bunch of other fragrances and samples on Twisted Lily's website. Y'all know that's the go-to, one of the go-to websites if you want to sample and get fragrances. You can use my code Denise10 to get 10% off. Now, I have smelled this, I have not worn it. However, I've heard a lot of people say that if you didn't like Herba Pura, you would like this one. I would say that the Herba Pura DNA is definitely still in here, but this one is less musky, not as sharp, more refined type of version. And this one smells slightly more feminine as well. But you do still get Herba Pura DNA in here for sure. When I opened it up, I sprayed it and I was smelling it for a little while, so I'm pretty sure that the performance on here is great, just like so many other Jerjoff fragrances. But y'all know how I used to have a problem with Herba Pura, but I had dupes of it, and I just got to start to wearing them dupes, and I was like, oh, I love Herba Pura now. But Herba Gold, we're gonna see. We are going to see. I'm definitely excited to wear it because I already know that I enjoy the Herba DNA now. So now that this one is less musky, not as sharp, a little more refined, a little smoother, I'm pretty sure I'm going to love it. So I'm excited to wear it, and of course I will keep y'all informed of how I feel when I wear it. Now these two are not new to my collection, but baby, last summer I had such a time with them, they definitely getting ran back this summer. So last summer I was like, okay, let me just throw this on, I'm gonna go run some errands, you know what I'm saying, because I already knew what it smelled like. I had it, I heard other people talking about it, so I knew it was just kind of a pretty easy reach, fruity type of feel. I think it's like peach in it and a little ginger, you know what I'm saying. So I'm like, oh, okay, let me just go run some errands. Baby, when I tell you this thing got so many compliments, I was like, okay, so I'm saying, oh, we like, girl, and I kept reaching for it after that. I was like, we friends now. Because one thing about a fragrance, if you on the fence about it or you like it but you don't love it, them compliments gonna make you love it. And you know, am I lying? I know I ain't, girl. I know I ain't. You be like, oh, okay, I'm gonna wear it even more now. It's getting compliments. That's what Sunset Hour did for me, girl. Now, it is really pretty. It is pretty, girly, easy reach, feminine, flirty, fun, all of the things. Like, it really is that. But the compliments made it even better. Okay, so now I'm like, you can dress it up, you can dress it down, you can wear it to somewhere important, you can wear it to go run errands. Like, so, you know, we always need a versatile type of fragrance in our collection. I think this would be like a summertime signature scent. Like, you could put this on and go wherever and do whatever you need to do in the summer. It really is that girl. Like, it was hyped up for a reason. I like it. Now, Pacific Rock Moss. Now, hear me out. Now, this bottle, it looks like it's full. I had like 3 decants of this, okay? I went through some. My man went through some. This is definitely a unisex scent. But I feel like whoever puts this on conforms to the gender of it, okay? Like, it's definitely clean, fresh, a little soapy, a little aquatic, a little skin-like, salty skin, but better. Like, salty skin but fresh, better, in a better way. Like, it's like you at one of those villas where they have the outdoor shower and you're doing the outdoor shower, so you got your soap and everything and you're smelling like clean, fresh, soapy cleanness, but you can look over and the ocean is right there. Like, it's giving that, the ocean air. And I love this down. Like, it's just so perfect for a hot day in the summer because you just feel like you so clean when you wear it. Y'all know when I did my declutter, I ended up giving Sailing Day by Replica to Dad. It smells so good on him, y'all. But this is like a more refined version of that. Like, this is like the upscale one, okay? So, you know, I was keeping this one, but that one smells good on him. This one smells good on him, and this is definitely getting ran back for the summer, okay? He probably gonna use it too. I have 2 by this house, and this is 201 by Parfumeur. Now, if you watch my vlogs, y'all saw me unbox these and tell y'all, you know, what made me pick these out of the discovery set that I had. Y'all, this is perfect for the summer. It's got Granny Smith apple, it's got pear, it's got freesia. Y'all know I love me a good freesia in the summer, okay? It just gives that watery nature. That Lily of the Valley is just clean, fresh, a little, you know, a little soapy, a little bit. Like, I love those type of fragrances. It's that juiciness from that apple and that pear on the top, baby. It smells so freaking good. It's feminine, it's elegant a little bit, but I feel like this is one you can definitely dress up and dress down. Like, I'm excited to wear it because I want to see where I pull for it at. But it smells like an easy reach. It doesn't smell like anything that you have to be going somewhere important. It's not one of those. I feel like you can pretty much wear this anywhere, dress it up, dress it down. Like, it just smells good. I can't wait to wear it and to give y'all like what the longevity is on it. But y'all know my first Bon Parfumeur was the 603, and that one I wore in the fall and winter, and that's that nice leather scent, but it's like a smooth, buttery smooth leather. Like, girl, so I'm so happy to have some from this house for the summer, like, seriously. So I can't wait to wear this. Now, the next one is 103. Now, this one is more of a sweet floral. This one has hibiscus, it has frangipani, tiare flower. Tiare flower is kind of maybe the start of the show. When I smelled it, I can definitely get, oh, child done sprayed on me, child. Already got on the scent. Oh, it smells good though. This is on my fragrance tray for the week. I don't know if y'all gonna see that video before this or after this, but girl, this smells so good, and it has warm sand in it. I only have one fragrance that has warm sand in it, and it is To Be. I believe it's To Be. And I definitely get the warm sand feel when I wear that one. So I'm hoping I kind of get that in the base of this fragrance too, because there's something about that. The smell of the warm sand on my skin has that feeling of, like I always say, when you put your feet into warm sand and you just kind of dig it in there, like you sitting on the beach and you kind of dig your feet into the warm sand and just how it feels. Like, I just love that. I hope I get that in the base with the flowers, with the hibiscus. Like, I want all the floral vibes, and this smells fresh too at the same time. Yes, I'm girl, Bon Parfumeur, they ain't coming to play. I can't wait to tell y'all, because both of those are on my tray for the week. So when I do the recap for the tray, I'm gonna give y'all the tea. Opus Core by Wilhelm Perfumery. This is definitely one of my favorites from the house, and it is perfection in the summertime. It's got acai berry, lemon, raspberry bloom, whatever that is, girl. It's giving you that nice, clean, fresh, fruity type of feel, but the fruits ain't too it ain't doing the most. They like real nice smooth fruits, and the magnolia flower gives it that kind of watery type of vibe. And I don't mean watery like the Performance, I don't mean any of that. Now, it's not a beast mode fragrance. It is like more in your scent bubble, slightly projecting out a little more than that, but as far as like the texture of it, the nature of the flower, it's doing what freesia does for me. You know what I'm saying? You know how freesia and Lily of the Valley make me get that watery type of feel. Like, it's just so clean and fresh. Perfect to wear in the hot weather. Like, I'm excited to wear this. This is not new to my collection. I wore it last year and I love this. It just smells so good and clean and fresh and fruity and floral all at the same time. Like, give me all the vibes. Okay, give me all the vibes. Luby Dooo. This is something I only wear in the summertime. I only reach for in the summertime. It's not a loud fragrance, but it has a beautiful sillage. People really smell this on you, and it smells so good. It's 3 simple notes on Fragrantica, and I feel like that's really what you get from this: strawberry, rose, and woods. Cedar wood, as a matter of fact. And I feel like that's what you get. It's blended very well, but I feel like you get all 3 of those notes, and those are the most predominant notes. I'm sure it's other stuff in here, but I definitely get that to my nose. The bottles, girl, the bottles are stunning, honey. If you know the joke, you know. But I love their bottles. I love them down. These are just some of the prettiest bottles. They heavy, and I love them. Even though it has that slight woodiness, it's not too much for the summer. Like, that strawberry and that rose are perfection, and they thrive in the hot weather. Like, and this is one of those lighter type of fragrances that you definitely need some heat on your skin. Okay, you want some heat on your skin so that you can get that projection that you want and that longevity that you want. But love me some Luby Dooo in the summertime. Like, girl, love it. This is Besos by Carter Barcelona, y'all. This is not new to my collection, but I have been waiting for hot weather to wear this because it just smells so good. It's almost like clean and soapy a little bit. Y'all know I love me a good clean soapy moment, okay? Because who don't want to smell like soap? I do. I was looking at the notes and it said it had pepper in the top, and I don't really get no pepper. I'm definitely getting the iris, but the iris is not like lipsticky iris. It's more like clean, powdery, soapy type of iris. The musk is so soft, and it just feels like soft fur. It just smells like soft fur. It just smells so soft, and it's a little bit sweet from vanilla, not a lot, mostly just clean, soapy, fresh. It smells like how cotton would smell. Cotton in heaven, child. If God got cotton up there, this is what it smells like, honey. It's just clean and fresh, and I just cannot wait to wear this. Like, I have been just sitting there just holding it, you know what I'm saying, just waiting to wear it, and hot weather is the time to wear, honey. Yeah, I can't wait. Okay, so y'all let me know down in the comments what are some fragrances that you are so excited to wear for the summer, whether it's a new fragrance, it's an old fragrance, like whatever it is. Let me know down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and of course subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.